Welcome to the PLS New Hire and Safety Orientation. PLS pays weekly. Payday is Friday. Time cards are due no later than Monday at 8 a.m. If your time card is not received by 8 a.m. Monday, you will be paid the following week. Time cards can be submitted by mobile time entry, email, or sent by text to timecard@pls.co. Please pause the video and take a moment to add this email address into your phone. Also create a reminder in your phone to turn your time card in each week. See a separate instruction document on mobile time entry. Always verify your time card was received. Your weekly paycheck is calculated from the information on your time card. Please make sure we can read your time card. Sloppy handwriting may cause a delay in processing your check. Project dispatch information. All dispatch information is communicated via email. You must reply to the email, acknowledging you have received and have accepted the assignment. You must always maintain the following: an accessible telephone, reliable transportation, and a valid driver's license. Please notify PLS immediately if any of these conditions change. Call the PLS office immediately when an assignment is coming to a close so you can be assigned to your next project. Even if you have notified the project manager, you still should call the office and notify PLS. Per diem. Any project under 60 miles from your residence is not eligible for per diem. When eligible, per diem is paid for days worked. Per diem will be deposited on your weekly paycheck. PLS does not advance per diem or provide pay advances. PLS does have a relationship with a nationwide pay advance company called Check Into Cash. Should you need a pay advance, you will need to meet their qualifications and speak with them. PLS Paid Time Off Program. You will start accruing PTO when you start working. For every 2,000 hours worked, you earn 40 hours of paid time off. After reaching 10,000 hours, you will earn 80 hours of PTO for every 2,000 hours worked. Plan on providing PLS with a week notice before taking PTO. This will give us time to notify the customer and find a temporary replacement if requested. PLS Accident Procedure. If you are ever involved in a work-related accident, injury, illness, or near miss, you must report it immediately by calling the PLS Safety Hotline, 855-PLS-SAFE. Safety is first at PLS. Every PLS team member deserves the right to go home to their family and loved ones at the end of the day. Todd Clayton is your safety manager and can be reached at 855-PLS-SAFE. Job Safety Analysis. The JSA is a condition of employment. The JSA must be readily available in your work area at all times. Your JSA must be filled out when you're in the work area. You must fill out a new JSA each week or for each new task. JSAs must be turned in each week with your time card. Personal Protective Equipment, PPE. At a minimum, all PLS pros are required to wear a sleeved shirt, long pants, and steel-toed boots. PLS provides the following: hard hat, safety vest, safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, harness and lanyard when required. The harness and lanyard is PLS property and required to be returned to PLS upon completion of the project, or the amount will be deducted from your last check. Specialty equipment needed for a project will be provided per project. No training, no operate. Only properly PLS trained and certified professionals shall operate machinery or equipment. This means do not operate a forklift, wall, scissor lift, or boom lift without being trained by a PLS approved facility. If you do without being trained, it will result in disciplinary action. If you're required to operate a piece of equipment for a particular assignment, contact your PLS project manager and they will arrange for you to be trained. PLS has a 3 strikes and you're out policy. The 3 types of notices are verbal, written, and termination. Example violations include failure to wear PPE, failure to complete a proper JSA, poor attendance, fighting on the job or during working hours, failing or refusing to take a drug screen, putting yourselves or others' lives at risk. Medical benefits. PLS covers 40% of your employee-only cost. You have 60 days from your first date of work to sign up for healthcare benefits. If you don't enroll now, you must wait until the next open enrollment or qualifying event. You must select one of the options on the medical benefits offer form when completing your new hire paperwork. PLS Orientation Recap and Safety Training. Use the link provided in your PLS hiring process email to access the recap quiz. You will need 100% to pass. You will not be contacted with dispatch details until all your PLS training is complete. JSA training, GHS training, ladder and stairway training, and fall protection.